In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GoHighLevel chat widget to your Wix website. We'll walk through the process together in a simple and practical way using Chrome so everything matches the expected layout. The goal here is to copy the chat widget code from your GoHighLevel account and place it into your Wix site through the custom code settings. This is a useful setup if you want visitors on your website to be able to reach out quickly through a live chat or messaging widget. To begin, open Chrome and log into your GoHighLevel dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account or location if you manage more than one. That will help you avoid copying the wrong widget settings. Next, go to the Sites section, and then open Chat Widget. This is where you can customize how the widget will appear on your website. Depending on your setup, you may be able to adjust things like the color, greeting text, position on the page, or other display settings. Make any changes you want before copying the code, since this is the version that will be installed on your Wix site. When everything looks the way you want, click Get Code and copy the script provided. Be careful to copy the full script exactly as it appears, since even a small missing part can keep the widget from loading correctly. After that, open a new tab in Chrome and go to your Wix dashboard. Keeping GoHighLevel open in the first tab can be helpful in case you need to go back and recopy the code. Once you're in Wix, head to your site's settings area. From there, go to Settings, then look for the Advanced tab and open Custom Code. This is the section in Wix where you can add external scripts to your website. It's important to paste the code into the correct area so Wix can load it properly across your site. At this stage, you'll be ready to paste the script you copied from GoHighLevel into the Custom Code section. As you do this, double check that the code was copied cleanly without any extra spaces or missing characters. That small review can save you troubleshooting time later. Once you've reached this point, you've completed the setup path needed to connect your GoHighLevel chat widget to Wix. If the widget doesn't appear right away, give the site a moment to update and make sure you're working on the correct Wix site. This process is straightforward, and once the code is in the right place, you're much closer to having a working chat experience on your website.